Changing the name of a user profile folder in Windows 10 involves several steps. Make sure to follow these steps carefully. Before proceeding, it's strongly recommended to back up your important data and create a system restore point in case anything goes wrong. Here's how you can change the name of a user profile folder. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to create a new user account with a desired name. This will help you avoid potential complications that can arise from changing the name of an existing user profile folder. You can create a new user account by following these steps. Open Settings by pressing Windows +I. Go to Accounts and then Family and Other Users, or just Other Users depending on your Windows version. Click on Add someone else to this PC or add a family member and follow the prompts to create a new account. If you created a new user account in the previous step, log in to Windows using that account. This step is optional but can help prevent any issues. If you have personal files, documents, or data in the older user profile, copy them to the corresponding locations in the new user profile. Renaming a user profile folder involves making changes in the Windows registry. This step requires caution and precision. Follow these steps. Press Windows +R to open the Run dialog. Type regedit and press Enter to open the registry editor. Click Yes if prompted by User Account Control. Navigate to the following key: H key, local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, profile list. In the left pane of the registry editor, you'll see a list of folders named with SIDs, security identifiers. These folders correspond to user profiles. Look for the folder that corresponds to the old user profile you want to rename. You can identify the correct folder by checking the profile image path value in the right pane, which will point to the old user profile path. Double-click on the appropriate SID folder and change the profile image path value to the new path. For example, if the old path was C users old username, change it to C users new username. If you didn't create a new user account in the earlier steps, you can rename the old user profile folder. However, it's important to be cautious as this step can potentially cause issues with application settings and permissions. After making these changes, restart your computer to apply the changes.